Hello, in front of me I've got INFINIX Zero Ultra. In this video I'll show you how to use Google Assistant on lock screen. In the beginning, let's enter Google app, tap the button in the top right corner, go to settings and enter Google Assistant. Go to voice match and make sure that Hey Google is enabled. Now let's try it out. Hey Google. Okay Google. Sometimes you'll have to retrain the voice model, so let's retrain it. And now say, okay Google, what's the weather tomorrow? Okay Google, what's 15 times 9? Hey Google, what does a hippo sound like? Hey Google, set a timer for 5 minutes. Now let's try it out again. Hey Google. Now we are sure it's working, let's go back. Enter lock screen and also make sure that this function is enabled. Now you can simply lock the screen and say, Hey Google. Hey Google. What's the weather like tomorrow?
There will be snow showers with a high of 32 and a low of 23.
And that's it. If you find this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.